30 days. 30 days of vlogging every single day. That's 30 videos in 1 month. Almost. It's almost a month. 30 days plus 1 is a month. A month minus 1 day. 30 days. Daily vlogging. Old people love their bingo. It's like 2 p.m. right now. So we were just at like a Honda center for motorbikes. Pretty much the worst customer service I've ever experienced. We probably stood there for like 10-15 minutes specifically talking about a bike and like looking at this specific bike, and we're completely ignored, not even like acknowledged. And I like it's interesting because that's good. On the upside, I'm gonna go to Service BC to hopefully get handbooks or some sort of reading material. I thought that car was moving. It's not. I'm moving. So hopefully get some sort of material on getting my motorcycle license. Not so secret addictions. Oh no! Are these guys? Especially when it's like a hot day out. Growing up in the Okanagan, where it was like 36, 38 degrees average Celsius during the summer, it's definitely a nice refresher. I also wanted to stop and sort of mention, after I was thinking about it throughout the day, it's sort of like what I'm hoping to accomplish now with this vlog, because the first damn motorbikes being so noisy. Alright, what I wanted to accomplish was sort of just as a way to help with my film skills and editing skills, and my original goal was the 30 days, and so now that I've sort of done that, I sort of want to like start experimenting a bit more with it and sort of adding in different things. And so this Sunday I'm gonna try something new. I'm still gonna have like the daily vlog, and I'm still gonna do that, but I think in order to sort of like help fill up and make them more enjoyable and more entertaining, and less of me just talking to the camera about nothing or like pointing out stupid things that I see throughout my day, I'm gonna actually try and do something cool with it, whether it's stories or questions or whatever it might be. But yeah, if you have suggestions, you should tell me. Otherwise, I have ideas that I'm gonna start doing. It'll be like a weekly thing type of thing, that like that day I'll always have that, or something like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out as I go. But yeah, I think I definitely wasn't sure when I started if I was gonna continue past 30 days, but I'm actually finding it really enjoyable. It's really fun. And it's just like it's interesting being able to like look back at all the things I do. I don't like watch them after I upload, but during like the upload process and like the editing process, I really get to like look at what I've actually been doing throughout the day, and I find that really rewarding. And I'm just noticing right now how red my beard is in the sun. And with that, there will be a new clip right away. Don't know what it's gonna be, but it'll be something. So I was just sitting at my desk, and I don't know if you can see this, but, oh, 1 second. Oh, there. So I don't know if you can see that, but that home button is crooked. I don't know when that happened or how it happened, but it's slightly tilted to the left.